Yeah, I know a girl that was always talking about her pussy wet every fucking day. I said I wanna find out any fucking way. I feel like she was exaggerating about that shit. I said go ahead and hit a nigga up. Matter of fact, I want a sample. It's up to you if you wanna fuck. She said I'ma fuck you anyway because you is a cute nigga. You a cute nigga. You look like the type that will kill this pussy no matter what I do. I'm gonna make sure I hit you with the left and right moves. Hit you with that shit and we fuck. And we fuck. She hit a nigga up after fucking work, and then she pulled up in that fucking truck. We could pretend like we ain't fucking in no motherfucking truck. We could pretend like we fucking in a motherfucking G-Wagon. I'ma fuck you raw. I don't need no fucking Magnum, nah. I don't need no fucking Magnum. Ass was fatter than motherfucking Pillsbury. Fucking fatter than Pillsbury. And I said I wanna hit it raw because I wanna find out how wet this pussy is, because you're exaggerating about how this pussy is. And then she wasn't lying. That pussy wasn't wetter than the motherfucking glacier, wetter than the motherfucking ocean. I'ma dive in and survive it no matter what. I hold my own, stroking deep in. I'm gonna keep on stroking in. I'ma keep on going deep. You already know I like it deep, making sure you feel this dick. You gonna feel all this dick. No